Welcome to SteelHouse Apartments, where steel meets style in the heart of downtown Orlando. Located at 750 N Orange Avenue, this is luxury city living redefined. Here you'll find modern 1 and 2 bedroom residences designed with you in mind. Every detail has been thoughtfully chosen. From stainless steel appliances, gorgeous quartz countertops, wood-style flooring and designer cabinetry, your home at SteelHouse isn't just a space, it's a statement. Take a dip in the resort-style pool, work out in the 24-hour fitness center, or host friends at the outdoor kitchen and lounge deck. It's a full-service experience right outside your door. Situated in downtown Orlando, you're minutes from top-tier dining, shopping, entertainment, and major highways for easy access. Live in the city, love your home. More than just a place to live, SteelHouse fosters community. With thoughtfully designed social spaces and services like resident lounge overlooking the city, you'll feel part of something special. Ready to see it for yourself? Click the link below to schedule your tour today and discover why downtown Orlando's finest address is waiting for you at SteelHouse Apartments.